Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: VS Code and a C compiler in Path. First, install the C/C++ extension. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code and create a new file main. See Next, save it and type a simple Hello World program so the editor recognizes syntax. Make sure the terminal is visible. Open an integrated terminal with Control+ so you can run commands. This gets you immediately ready to build and run. You will now configure VS Code to build and debug. Create a tasks, JSON that runs GCC gmain, comain, exe and triggers on Control + Shift + B. This compiles with debug symbols. Then create a launch. JSON using the C++ gdb/LLDB template and point program to your executable. Once configured, press F5 to start debugging. You can set breakpoints, step over, and inspect variables. Finish by organizing code into folders. Move sources to src and headers to include, then update tasks. JSON and launch. JSON paths accordingly. Once organized, compile with GCC wall Wextra to catch problems early. Run your program from the integrated terminal to verify behavior. If something goes wrong, pause, check that the compiler is on path, confirm which shell the terminal uses, and ensure launch. JSON points to the right executable. Fixing those three usually resolves build or run failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.